a fascinating Supreme Court case in the Philippines involving RA 4200, also known as anti-rapping law. The case, Francisco Chavez versus Raul Gonzalez and the National Telecommunication Commission, tackles a crucial issue of freedom of expression, media rights, and government power. Let's break down what this case is all about. Its, its key fact, issue, ruling, in our learnings. What is the case all about? This case revolves around a petition filed by Francisco Chavez challenging the action of Justice Secretary Raul Gonzalez and the National Telecommunication Commission. The controversy started when the NTC issued a warning to broadcast stations against airing the called Garci tapes recording conversation allegedly between President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo and a COMELEC official. Chavez claimed that this warning was a violation of of freedom of warning was a violation of free expression and public access to information, asking the asking the court to nullify the NTC's action as uncon, con, unconditional. What are the facts of the case? Here are the main facts. In 2004, President Arroyo was declared the winner of the presidential election. Later, tape surfaced that allegedly captured her discussing election manipulation with Commissioner Virgilio Garciliano. The tape was stirred controversy, leading Justice Secretary Gonzales to instruct the National Bureau of Investigation to investigate broadcaster airing the tapes for possible violation of RA 4200. The NTC also warned media outlets that airing these tapes could result in license suspension. Francisco Chavez then filed a petition asserting that this action violated freedom of expression and the public rights to information. What are the issues in the case? The main issue in this case is whether the NTC warning against broadcasting the Garci tapes constitute an unconstitutional prior restraint on free expression. Prior restraint means preventing speech or expression before it takes place. Chavez argued that the warning unfairly limited the media role in disseminating potentially significant information, while the NTC contended it was merely cautioning broadcasters about the consequence of airing unverified and potentially illegal content. What is the ruling of the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Francisco Chavez, declaring the NTC warning an unconstitutional prior restraint on the free speech. The court highlighted the freedom of expression is a cornerstone of democracy and emphasized the restriction on this right must be carefully scrutinized. It ruled that the NTC warning could not be justified as it effectively imposed a gang order on media without due process. The court underscored that any government action threatening free speech must be strictly regulated to prevent a chilling effect on the public's access to information. What are the takeaways from this case? This case teaches us that about the importance of safeguarding freedom of expression, especially when it involves information of public interest. The ruling reminds us that government agency must exercise caution in restricting speech, ensuring that they do not silence voices or create an atmosphere of fear. Additionally, the case emphasized that in this in issue involving public information, the burden of proof lies heavily on the state of justice restriction. As citizens, we see the critical role of judicial oversight in upholding democratic values. Thank you for watching. This case underscored the importance of free and open press in a democratic society, showing that our freedom are preserved not just by laws but by constant vigilance and courage to stand up for those rights. If you found this discussion helpful, please like and subscribe for more legal insight.